Hello from Team G. This is Panos Antonakos and the rest of the team that we worked together last week on this project. We're going to be short and fast, quickly reminding our idea, tackling the problem, representing the problem that we're going to tackle, and then sharing some hints during our development process before demonstrating the idea of our tool. So we stand in the AI productivity tool category of this hackathon. What did we do? We tried to combine these three major technologies of today, letting the machine generate rich commit and PR messages when we share our work with our colleagues. And why to do that? The goal of this tool is to boost the development velocity while increasing the quality of the PR reviews. You see here in this slide a rich description, a rich documentation that helps our colleagues review and provide valuable feedback for our work. The problem is this: we tend to have often poor documentation. The reviewing process is very hard. We don't get valuable comments, and the merged code in the main branch is also as good as it was initially in the first in the introduction of the work. This is what we are trying to achieve, and let's proceed with some hints from our development process. We relied a lot on GitHub tools. We started creating an open sourcing a repository, G3 repository under Workable Organization. This is a public repository. You are welcome to join us with your contributions and make this a great tool for the whole organization, even for other companies out there with a strong product department having to meet the same challenges. And what else? We choose to plan and track our issues, our work using GitHub project. This is a success story inside our team. We achieved very high velocity, development velocity using GitHub project instead of Jira. You see how many issues are resolved just in 2 days by 8 engineers. And we finally make the tool public, creating a pipeline in GitHub Actions. So that's it. Let's showcase the tool, how you can install the tool. The tool is a CLI that can be installed with this one-liner and can be configured providing a GitHub API key and the key to interact with ChatGPT. There are more options during the configuration flow, like the AI model that we're going to use to generate the messages, the temperature, the tone of the message, etc., the length of the messages too. So let's see the steps towards this release. The first thing we started to develop was the main functionality of the tool. You see here a generated message by the tool when we committed our work. And then we continued adding more functionality, more features, like editing an already existing commit or PR, as represented in the video. Each generated message by AI supports a preview so that you can see what's proposed, and then you can either submit, edit, regenerate, or just copy the message to your clipboard and commit it yourself. Last feature that we added in the first release was streaming the response by AI so that we provide early feedback to our users for the generated message. We see here our CLI returning the message part by part. Okay, cool. Let's switch to a live demo to see this tool, how it operates in real. So let me share my screen, my whole screen. I will propose a minor fix in our tools repository. You should be seeing here my terminal. So You see, I have prepared a backfix branch, a small branch on top of the main branch that has touched two only files. It's the creator of the prompt that we feed to ChatGPT to create the message, to generate the message. And let's proceed. We simply have to command gcommit, and I will also include a Jira ticket. This is a functionality that we added so that we can not only integrate with Gazette, a tool that we have internally in the engineering department, so that we sync our work with Jira, but in the next release, we would also use it as a extra food for the AI and provide, besides the code differences, the work that we did, also comments from Jira, the specs of the PM, etc. So I will accept this, and the commit is done very fast. When the whole work is done, I can continue opening the PR so that we share the work with our colleagues. And to do that, I will simply command GPR, and I will also include a phrase so that my colleague Yannis Karachristos make a quick review. So you see the generated message streamed in my terminal part by part, and you can notice that the format is in Markdown, that GitHub renders very well. This time I will choose to edit the message, so I showcase this functionality too. I will make the title of the description of the message a bit shorter, no need to say again the name of the repo. So I just save the message, and boom, the PR is open. You can see it here, and we can switch to GitHub so that we see the PR and verify that it's there too. Cool, nice and easy. And okay, that thing works. Is it valuable though? What is the impact for all of us? What is the impact for all product departments out there? To answer that, we created a video. So let's close this presentation, showcasing this journey. And for that, let me share my next screen.
The OGAI Git/GitHub tool. Are you tired opening PRs only to find a meaningless title and no description? Do you regularly find commit messages more confusing than the actual code you are reviewing? Feeling you are losing precious development time writing and formatting properly commits and PRs? Enough is enough. Welcome to the G revolution. Now with G you can enjoy carefree programming while producing awesome commits in no time. Open PRs automatically, formatted with Markdown in seconds with elaborate descriptions for your team. Everybody cool uses G. 100% of the G development team uses G after even the first release. Feature development to release time reduced by 50%. Code reviews are pure joy. Sophia. AI approves this message.
Thank you. This is it.
Thank you very much.